Good day, ladies and gentlemen. In this particular video, I'm going to be teaching you what is going to help you hold your trades a little longer, okay, and avoid fear while trading, okay. So one of the issues a lot of traders have is being able to hold their trade, a little longer for it to play out. And one of the ways by which you can do this is understanding how candles form, okay, when they're actually moving in your direction. All right, so based on how the candles are forming, you can know whether or not you can continue holding the trade, or whether you need to start moving your stop loss to lock in some profit. Okay, so one of the things I would like to start with is the fact that when you have a candle like this, let's say it's a bullish candle for example, and you have a wick, and then you have a wick down there. If the next candle closes beyond the wick of the first candle, most times this indicates the fact that price still wants to move higher. Okay, if you do this kind of analysis, this type of analysis, if you do it on a higher time frame, let's say maybe daily time frame, that can give you an idea of where price would be going to the next day. You will just know that, okay, the next candle is going to try to take the liquidity at the top of the previous day's candle. Okay, so it won't come for the liquidity below the previous day candle. Okay, it will rather go for that one on top. So that will give you an idea of where the next draw of liquidity is. So when you're trading, you just know that, okay, price is going to be going higher. Now, using that ideology, you already know that price is fractal. Fractal in the sense that what is happening on the higher time frame can also happen on a lower time frame. That should also help you when you are actually trading. Let's say you took a buy trade, and then you notice that your candle is having a big wick at the top like this. That shouldn't scare you to think, oh, the buying momentum has ended, so long the following candles manage to close above this level. The buying momentum is still present. Okay, the buying momentum is still present. Where you would need to start moving your stop loss to lock in some profit is when you notice that the following candles are struggling to close above the wick of that first candle. Okay, let me redraw this so that you can see it clearly. Let's say you have a candle right here like this. Okay, you have something like this with a wick at the bottom and a wick at the top like this. So this is the eye of this candle. Then the following candle, gets to this point like this, but found it difficult to close above it. So when you have a situation like this is a red flag telling you that there is a possible reversal. Sometimes it might not even turn out to be a reversal. It could be just price preparing to do what? To give you a pullback. Okay, before then continuing. But this just gives you an idea that price wants to put in opposite color candles. Okay, so then you can now know how you want to manage your trade, whether you want to shift your stop loss to break even, whether you want to move your stop loss to lock in some profit, etc. So look at this bullish momentum right here. Look at this set of bullish candles. What do you see playing out? You would notice that the candles are closing above the previous one, showing you that yes, the bullish momentum is very strong. So this bearish candle right here was followed by this bullish candle which closed above its eye. Okay, now this bullish candle has an eye right here. The following bullish candle did was closed above its eye, showing you that the bullish momentum is still very healthy. Then you have another bullish candle closing above the eye of the previous one. Then market puts in a bearish candle, which is more like a pullback or a momentum pause, a momentary pause in the bullish movement. Okay, so what do you see happening? To show you that the bullish momentum is still active, the next candle closed above the previous candle. You have the same thing playing out here. This candle closed above the previous candle, this closed above the previous one. Then what do you have here? This one did not close. This bullish candle did not close above the previous bullish candle. So this is where you start getting a little bit worried. Okay, so if I took the trade from here and I see this happening right here, what I would do is I'll move my stop loss to this level. Okay, I'll move my stop loss to this level because this is the protected low. So I'll move my stop loss to this level. Then I'll watch what wants to happen here. Okay, there's a fair value gap here. This could be a retracement into this fair value gap to continue. So let's say it retraces into this fair value gap and then bullish candles followed and broke the structure. What I will do, I'll move my stop loss from here up to this, to the low that was created. That's how I manage my trades. Okay, if I want to do this what's it called, manual stop loss movements, there's a name for it. Yeah, let's say you want to trail your stop manually. Yes, that's the name I was looking for. If I want to trail my stop manually, that's how I trail my stop manually. Okay, I put, if it's a buy trade, I place the stop below lows. Okay, so the point I'm trying to bring out is you can see the signs of a potential pullback or a reversal based on how the candles are forming. You can see this bearish candle that is being printed here has already given you a sign right here. And what is the sign it gave right here? The sign it gave right here is the fact that this bullish candle did not close above the high of the previous bullish candle. Let me place an horizontal line above the high of the previous bullish candle, at the high rather. So you can see it's only wicked above it. This candle wicked above it, then came back to close within the range. So did not close above it. And this is a big sign that something is about to happen, either a full-blown reversal or a pullback. So an understanding of this will give you the confidence to actually hold your trade. Not that when you just see a red candle, you just quickly jump out. You should just know, you should have an idea of what is actually going on. Then you manage your trade accordingly. Okay. So basically, that's just what I have for you right now. If you got any value from the video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.